Do you make something delicious out of your home kitchen? Maybe you make kombucha or coffee cake, cookies, coffee drinks, jam, salsa. There's so many amazing things that you guys are making out of your kitchens. Maybe you're solving a problem around gluten-free or keto or dairy-free. You're creating an amazing snack for your kids. Whatever it is, people are encouraging you to start that food business this year. And you've actually given it some thought, and maybe you even Googled how to start a food business. But that has probably left you feeling more confused than ever and wondering if it's a good idea to even get started. My name is Sari Kimball, and I am the creator of Food Business Success. Hey there, I'm Sari Kimball. I am the creator of Food Business Success, and I am super excited to announce that the doors to the Food Business Success Accelerator are now open. This program, the signature program, is 21 weeks, and this program is meant for you whether you are just an idea, you are just starting out your business. We are going to get you from idea to packaged product, help you figure out where you want to sell it, and how you're actually going to make money. So if you need some expertise, you want to flatten your learning curve, you want to stop wasting time and money, and you want to make this happen in 2020, then this program is absolutely for you. I work with food producers every day in my consulting, and I am so excited to be able to offer this program so that you can get it at a lower cost than working with me one-on-one, but you still get access to me every 3 weeks with an accountability business strategy call. And this is going to help keep you on track. It's going to keep you focused. You're going to know your exact next steps that you need to take so that you don't get stuck in overwhelm and confusion, and you don't frankly do it wrong and have to start over. That sucks. So if you are serious about launching your packaged food business in 2020, then this accelerator is definitely for you. So go check it out on my website, foodbizsuccess.com, and check out all of the courses that you get, the tools and resources. I give you everything at your fingertips so you're doing it right from the start and you know exactly what you need to do. Plus you get that one-on-one support. So important to have that. No two food businesses are the same. And so I don't want you to just have online learning and do it yourself. I want you to have support. So that's what this is all about. So I hope I get to see you inside the Food Business Success Accelerator. Like I said, the doors are open and we start very, very soon. I can't wait to help you make your food business real.